Hi everyone, welcome back today. I have here Eve's Mini Eve Photo Lomo card team and it's really adorable and cute. And this one, by the way, is not your normal Photo Lomo card. It's the lasered one or the one with a rainbow laminate. And the back is so cute. Like they're so lovely. Their characters are. And here are some of their group photo and their solo photos. Like these photo Lomo cards do not contain a lot of their group photos, mostly a lot more on the solo photos, which are great since when it's a group photo, it's nice, but it does look smaller. And I really love the cute characters of the Eve, like the cartoon characters, like they're so lovely. And by the way, I was this K-pop Lomo photo card team one, this mini Eve kind of disappointed me since the print quality of this is not as nice, or it's not really a good quality print as the one that I have bought before. Like I bought it from the same shop that I always do, but I'm not sure why. But this in stocks photos are really, really adorable and cute. Not really all the photos here are bad. Like these ones are really, really great. Like there's about 10 photos that are really bad quality, but after some point, it gets better. But if you really like a good quality one, like I would pass this Eve, mini Eve. Like I would get other K-pop cards, or maybe it's just this shop that are bad, or like this batch that I got is bad. I'm not really sure, but I'm not really planning on buying another mini Eve. Like I'm good with it, but I will try and look for other. If it's the same, then maybe I will try another shop if the print quality is not nice anymore. And they really look so adorable hugging the stuffed toys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.